Once you have your book created, you click on this download button, download to your own computer, or export PDF from the extension that I provided. And after you have them, you simply go to Book Creator. You will have your library and click on New Book. Instead of choosing any of these layout, just simply click Import PDF, and then you can import from your Google Drive or drag and drop the PDF file that you already downloaded and click Open, and let's do its thing until it's done. All right, another way is you go to New Book, and instead of import, just simply choose one of these. You can choose the comic one or portrait. I'll just choose portrait. You will see a white window here, and then click on the plus sign and go to media. There is a file. Click on the file, and then find the book that you downloaded. Click open. And these two options ask add pages from your PDF. You say yes, 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 and then it will be processing that book. So two ways you can upload your book. After you upload your book, it will look like this, and then you click select all. Make sure you do this unless one of the page you don't want it anymore, and click on add, and then it will process and will be embedded into these pre-chosen template. Next, I will give you some tips how to make your book look prettier. So you come here and make this front page a lot bigger so you can fill the page. If not all of it, you can leave a little bit rim on the left top and position it. So this doesn't look good on the left side. How do you change it? You click on the eye, and here you can have scan for text or crop. You say, I will crop. And then this way you will crop it and say, yes, I'm done. And now you have a page. And the white part, I don't really like it. So I am going to go to the page right here, and click on one of these. And now, voila, it looks a lot better. Okay, so next you go to the other page, and this looks okay. So here you're going to add media. I'm going to add shapes. And then you can add either a speech bubble or just simply a shape. I will just add this shape. It's easier, faster to block, but you don't like that big ugly pink color in there. You can just simply say white, and then you have a little white, and you can click here, go back to tools. Here it says text, and just write blah, 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 and then put these right here. Of course, you can adjust the size, make it bigger, make it smaller, change the font color, etc. And then this will be your page. Okay, all right, this page is still loading. Oh gosh, okay, let's choose this color. Now you have the background as this color. So you can change the page color. You can change the font. Of course, you cannot just simply change the font like this. You can cover it up and put your own text there. If you want your student to record for each page, you can click on record. Your student will be narrating for that page after you cover it up, and have them put the text on.